What's in the case? What's in the case? Stick around and I'll tell you. Well, hello there. I bet you're asking yourself, why is he wearing sunglasses? He's inside. There's no sun inside. Well, I'll tell you why. Because today's Slingshot is so damn bright, I can't even look at it. Well, you know what time it is.
This is time for me to hold the microphone and talk into it real close like this because I think I'm pretty damn cool.
And it's also time to go down and look at this Slingshot up close and personal. Let's see the specs, the details. What does this thing look like up close? And then we're going to go out and shoot it. All right, so just like the previous turtle, the KARO SL that I did a review on, you got this awesome case here. This one came in orange though, so that's pretty cool. I like the orange also. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what this Slingshot looks like. So this is the KARO. I'm not quite sure how to say it, to be honest with you. Anyway, here it is. This thing is beautiful. Look at these like honeycomb kind of looking things on here. And these colors are just downright amazing. I love this kind of reddish orange, the yellow. Everything about it is pretty damn cool if you ask me. He's got his logo right in the middle there once again. This is a clipped frame, so you got nice, easy accessibility to the bands. You can attach them very simple and quick. He did a couple of different caps here, which is, I found that to be pretty neat. He did an orange one and a yellow one, so it's not just the same colored cap. I think that's pretty darn cool. Kind of a neat little extra idea that he did there. And well, let's put up a couple of specs here. We'll just list them right over here. All right, let's go ahead and band this guy up and give it some shots. All right, guys, let's get a look at this thing outside here. It's snowing out right now, so this is not even in the sun, and you can see how bright this thing is. But let's talk about this grip. So this is a kind of an interesting grip. It almost has, you know, a pinchy kind of feel to it because it's got this pretty long wing coming out here. So your fingers go down in there, and then your one finger goes up there, and it kind of just locks into place. But as you'll see on the other side here, there's nothing pinchy about this side. So this one is, in my opinion, a dedicated thumb brace. This you could pinch if you want, but this is such a severe drop here that it's hard for me to get a good grip up high like I do on a lot of my Slingshots. So if you wanted to pinch this, you could, but it's really not that comfortable that way at all. If you go up real high like this, it's doable, but it's just not designed for that at all. So if this would be, I would consider this a dedicated thumb brace Slingshot. I have a can up there and I haven't shot in a long time. Let's see how this thing feels. Well, brace grip style, it definitely has a really good feel to it. The corners up top there are pretty tight, so you can get a pretty good sight picture pretty quick. Goes to show you what happens when you don't practice for a while. You get a couple of misses. I'm just kind of noodling around here, guys, because I haven't shot this Slingshot much. So I'm not going for anything precise. Just kind of getting the feel of it. So far, I like it. This here thing kind of keeps everything locked into place there. It's not uncomfortable at all. I'd say overall this is a pretty well-made Slingshot. But what would you expect? Anything else from Turtle, right? So far I like it. I am going to set up a 40 and see if we can just get a couple of more precise shots. All right, I'm going to take some shots up at that 40mm spinner up there. See if we can cut through these snowflakes and get a couple of hits. 2 out of 5 on a frosty morning. You know what, it is what it is. But let's go ahead and dial it down a little bit more. I'm gonna put up the 12.5 millimeter wasp spinner and see if we can get at least 1 out of 5 on that guy. All right guys, it's snowing pretty good now. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this blue 12.5 millimeter wasp spinner. I'm gonna take 5 shots at it, see if I can get 1 out of the 5. Ooh, got it. Oh, got it twice. 3 times in a row, holy shit. All right guys, in closing, this slingshot here is downright amazing. You can get these over at omegaslingsusa.com. I'll put a link down in the description. Also, I just wanted to touch base real quick. I do have merchandise now available on my YouTube store. So you can click the YouTube store, multiple ways to get there. So far, I've ordered a couple of shirts and hoodies and stuff, and it's been pretty darn good quality for what it is. So check out my store, make sure to subscribe, like, all that kind of good stuff. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you.